I've been developing the series on legacy therapy for my colleagues, for the mental health professionals. The title of today's lecture is The Psychological Immune System and Legacy Therapy, a Model of Prevention and Treatment. I posited the existence of a psychological immune system about 5 years ago, but I didn't really focus on it as I am going to do today and integrate it with legacy therapy. And to understand the reality of a psychological immune system, let's first talk about the physical immune system. Now, the physical immune system helps fight off different diseases. If it's strong, it'll help prevent the disease. For example, all of us have cancer cells. We have them. But if our physical immune system is strong, it will destroy them. You have natural killer cells, you have other cells that will destroy them. But if the immune system is weak, then the cancer cells will proliferate and the person will develop various types of cancer, whether it's prostate cancer or breast cancer or ovarian cancer or liver cancer, whatever, pancreatic cancer. So we see the idea of prevention. An immune system such that if a person's invaded, let's say, with viruses, we all have viruses in our system, different pathogens, harmful bacteria, we all have that. But then we have a physical immune system to help fight that. So even if you get sick, the immune system is fighting against that, whether we're talking about antibodies, or we're talking about white blood cells, we're talking about natural killer cells, T cells, and so forth, to fight it. So the immune system, the physical immune system, by being strong, prevents it, and if we get sick physically, it helps us heal. An important part of the physical immune system is the gut. We live with trillions of microorganisms, particularly helpful bacteria, such as Acidophilus and Bifidus. They've lived with humans from the beginning. And it helps fight that. But if you're not getting enough probiotics, or you're not getting these, you're not replenishing it, and if you use antibiotics and you've killed off harmful bacteria, but you've killed off the good bacteria, your immune system after that is weakened and you're more prone to other illnesses. And it's in that context that even harmful yeast can start growing. So again, we see the physical immune system, if it's strong, helps prevent physical illnesses. And if we come down with a physical illness, it helps us recover from it. Now, if a person is sleep deprived, you're just not sleeping well enough, you're more likely to get sick. Your immune system is compromised. You need to sleep to fully recover all the repairs that need to happen in your body. So if you're sleep deprived, you're more likely to come in a cold or flu or any number of diseases. Also, your psychological immune system is weakened if you're not sleeping. You're more likely to overreact, say nasty things to your spouse, do things, get more anxious about everything because your psychological immune system is weakened. The lack of sleep weakens the physical immune system. You knew about that. And you also knew when you don't sleep, you might be more cranky and overreactive. You knew about that. That gives you a little insight into how sleep strengthens not only your physical immune system, but your psychological immune system. So when an immune system is strong, it helps prevent an illness. And if you have an illness, it helps you recover from it. If your psychological immune system is strong, things don't get to you as much. Might bother you a little bit, but not that much. You get over it quickly. Or something's gotten to you, but then if you've slept well enough, you're more likely to be able to get organized, focus on it, and deal with it. But if you're not sleeping well, the stress situation is going to go on longer. So it's the same idea. I'm using the parallel of so you understand the psychological immune system. It's also involved with prevention and treatment. And the whole idea is, how do we strengthen the psychological immune system? How do we do that? We know a lot about strengthening the physical immune system, but a lot of things that affect the physical immune system also affect your psychological immune system. Again, we talk about sleep, exercise. Exercise strengthens your ability to not become sick. It increases your health, your circulation, and that helps you not become sick to begin with. It helps with prevention. But also exercise is the same thing with the psychological immune system. It strengthens it. It actually strengthens it, and it helps prevent depression, or if you're depressed, it helps to reduce depression. We know for a fact that it helps overcome anxiety, insomnia, and it facilitates self-esteem.